Hello, my name is Kirk Muedel. I'm a graduate student in NYU's Moving Image Archiving and Preservation program. Thank you for joining me for this poster session reviewing third-party software for archiving Discord servers. Discord is an instant messaging and social media platform that is especially popular with video game developers and gaming communities. Due to the platform's unique properties and invite-only access system, its servers cannot be indexed by conventional search engines, archival tools, or web crawlers. For this project, I reviewed 3 third-party tools created for archiving Discord in order to evaluate their appropriateness for use in a web archiving workflow, and to clarify the technical challenges an archive will face when ingesting, storing, and providing access to archived versions of Discord servers. I tested each tool and evaluated the functionalities and outputs based on 5 criteria. Since there's only so much time today, I'm just going to be discussing the first 2 tools, Discord Chat Exporter and Discord History Tracker. When examining the tool's outputs, I checked which common elements from Discord text channels they supported, what server and channel metadata they recorded, and what user account information they recorded. Definitions for these terms and the full results of the analysis are recorded in a Google Sheet, which I am happy to share with anyone who's interested during the Q&A. The first tool, Discord Chat Exporter, is an open source program that can export the message history of entire Discord servers and individual text channels to a file in HTML, TXT, CSV, or JSON formats. It has both a graphical user interface and command line interface version. The level of detail included in DCE's exports varies depending on the chosen file format. TXT exports are the smallest and consequently save the least amount of information, while JSON exports create the most detailed records. The HTML file exports replicate the interface of a Discord server, complete with user avatars, server icons, and both linked and embedded media files. Discord History Tracker is an open source browser tracking script that saves Discord message histories into a database file and an offline viewer that displays the file. DHT can be used either entirely in a web browser or through Discord's desktop application. It also has a GUI version with additional features. Installing the tracking script causes the DHT interface to appear inside Discord's interface, allowing the user to initiate tracking directly from any server or channel they are members of. The browser version saves messages as a text file, while the GUI saves them as a SQL database file. DHT files are intended to be viewed through an offline HTML viewer. Like the previous HTML outputs, the DHT viewer attempts to replicate Discord's interface. So here are some general takeaways from my analysis. First, every tool requires that the user has a Discord account and that they're a member of the server that they wish to target. Second, no tools were found to record any information about user accounts that could be considered sensitive or potentially personally identifiable. Third, Discord Chat Exporter's command line version proved to produce the most complete and detailed records of Discord channels. It also has the most sophisticated, customizable, and accessible features when compared to the other tools, and therefore has the greatest potential to be integrated into existing web archiving workflows. This analysis revealed the following technical challenges that are not fully addressed by any existing software. First, all media files in Discord servers are either linked to external websites or uploaded to Discord's internal servers. Although DCE has the ability to download media, this option replaces the original media's URLs in the exports with the file path of the saved media on the user's local machine. Since these file paths are objective, this creates additional technical challenges and dependencies. Secondly, none of the tools are capable of recording information about user activity within Discord servers, such as the number of active users or stats about their membership rates. All of that information could be of interest or valuable to certain archives communities. Third, like other social media platforms and live websites, Discord servers are dynamic and ephemeral. The static snapshot that these tools create quickly become outdated as representations of Discord servers. And finally, none of the tools automatically generate provenance metadata with the level of detail necessary for archival or bibliographic description. Thank you for joining me here today. The link on the screen is the results of that full analysis that I mentioned, and I welcome any comments or questions.